Wireless graphic touchscreen keypads give your customers the freedom to control their security system from wherever they want. Pairing a wireless keypad with the control panel is simple. Here's how to pair a wireless touchscreen keypad with an XT series panel. 9800 series keypads require that the control panel has either an integrated or attached 1100 series wireless receiver, and that a house code has been programmed in system options. To enable wireless pairing on an XT series control panel, reset the panel 3 times, allowing the transmit LED located near the programming header to begin flashing between each reset. Once that's done, plug the keypad into power. Once it powers up, it will display the pairing screen and attempt to connect to the panel. Once the XT panel and keypad has successfully paired, the keypad will display the Home Shield screen. For more information on 9800 series keypads or to watch more training videos like this, visit dmp.com.